It is my great pleasure to welcome you to another step-by-step guide on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I'm going to show you on how to order a phone easily from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app without any stress. And this is promised to be a step-by-step guide tutorial. So let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or IDFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you too can be a procurement agent, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to successfully import from China with Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to easily order phones on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app from China without any stress. So let's find out. The very first thing you need to do is open up your Pinduoduo shopping app. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Pinduoduo shopping app. Then the next thing you need to do is to search for the phone that you want to import from Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Ordinarily, there are so many ways to search for the particular phone you want to import from China on Pinduoduo. One of the easy way is to come to the top right here and type in the name of the product you are looking for and hit on search. So let's, for instance, I'm looking for iPhone 11. Search for iPhone 11 and hit on search. So having typed in iPhone 11 right here, in a few seconds you are going to see a similar result about iPhone 11. Then if you swipe this way, you see more products of iPhone such as iPhone 14, iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro Plus, iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro, iPhone 16 Pro Max, and you will see their storage as described right here. So you can select by storage or you can select by 512 gig storage right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to scroll down right here, and you can also click on here and filter the result based on what you have right here. So just like what you see right here. Okay, now let's say for instance we want to order for one of the iPhone right here. We can scroll down and check out more different iPhone 11 products right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see different products from different from different sellers in China that sell iPhone. But in this tutorial, I'm going to simply click on this particular store link right here. Have a click on the store link, it's going to open up like this. Then right here, you can check on the product video preview right here, just like what you see right here. Then you can scroll down and check more detail about the products, about the store. So this is the store rating right here. You need to consider that. So they have about 4 point something rating, which is quite good. You can scroll down right here and check on the product detail, just like so. Now, once you are satisfied with everything about the phone right here, you still need to contact the seller about the phone and ask them some of the few questions as far as the phone is concerned. Now, for you to contact the seller and ask them for 1 or 2 questions about the product or about the phone, so what you need to do is to simply click on this icon right here. So I have already contacted the store and have asked some of the few questions about the product right here, just like what you see right here. And they have shown me of everything I wanted, just like what you see their response right here. Once you're satisfied with what the supplier have to say about the product, then the next thing you can do is to go ahead and place the order. Then one more thing you can do before you can place the order is to check some of the review by the previous buyer of that particular same product. And for you to do that, simply scroll to the top right here. So scroll to the top right here, then you have all the ratings right here. Simply click on here and view all the ratings. Then you have all the ratings right here. So you can see the more you scroll down, the more you see different ratings by different buyers of the same product that you want to buy. So by doing all this will give you a kind of confidence that the product you are buying is a genuine product. Take a look at this one right here. can see everything is displayed right here by the previous buyer. Some of them will go ahead and upload the product video and how they use it, just like what you see right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see different rating by different supplier. However, this depends on the number of the product they have sold in the past to different buyer, as the case may be. So once you verify about the product from the previous buyer rating, then you can go ahead and place the order. First thing for, make sure you click on here to add the product to cart. After you have successfully add the product to cart, then simply go back, back, back. Then the next thing you need to do is to go to your profile right here. Click on this icon to go to your profile. Then the product you have in your cart is going to be found right here. So click on that. Then you have it right here. So I have already had the product to cart right here, just like what you see right here. Next thing we want to do is to simply click on here to select the product. Then the next thing we want to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. Just like so. So from the top right here, make sure you have your shipping address. The next thing you need to do is to make sure you choose your Alipay as a means of payment. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. Then right here, enter your payment password to complete the payment. Just like what you see right here, payment done successful. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on done right here. And you have to close this pump up. Next thing we want to do is to simply swipe and go back. So once you go back to your profile, the product is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. There you have it right here. Successfully paid for. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to order phones directly on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, import from China without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China with Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.